Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about something new. We're going to talk about the animals in the farm, and I'm going to show them to you. So, first we have the pig. What's the name of him? Pig. Repeat after me. Pig. Very good. And what color is the pig? Is it blue? Is it yellow? No. It's pink. What color is the pig? Pink. Very good. Also in the farm we have the cow. What's her name? Cow. Very good. The cow is white, black, and pink. Again, repeat after me. White, black, pink. This is a cow. What's her name? Cow. Also, we have a horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Very good. The horse is brown and orange. Brown and orange. What's the name of this? Horse. Very good. Also, we have the sheep. Sheep. Repeat after me. Sheep. Excellent. The sheep is white, black, and I don't know if you can see it very well, cream. It has a little bit of cream color. White, black, and cream. It's a sheep. Repeat after me. Sheep. Excellent. Also in the farm lives the goat. Goat. The goat is brown. What color is the goat? Very good. Brown. Repeat after me. This is a goat. Very good. Goat. Also, we have the duck. What's this? Duck. Excellent. The ducks are many colors, but mine is white, yellow, and orange. This is a duck. Repeat after me. Duck. Excellent. Also, we have the rooster. The rooster is a boy. He has many colors. He has brown, red, yellow, green, and orange. Rooster. Repeat after me. Rooster. Also, we have the hen. Hen. The hen is a girl. She puts the eggs. The hen is normally white and a little bit of brown and red. Hen. What's her name? Hen. Excellent. Together, the rooster and the hen can have a chick. Chick. The baby chick is yellow. Yellow with a little bit of orange. Now, let's see them all again and let's say their names. Repeating after me. Pig. Cow. Horse. sheep, goat, duck, rooster, hen, chick. Excellent. Which one was your favorite? Leave it in the comments. Goodbye.